Want to know how to say numbers in Indonesian up to million under 5 minutes? In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to do it using number system, and I'm also going to refer to number 1 to 9 throughout this lesson. Let's begin. So here is number system. Belas is a unit of 10, puluh is a unit of 10, ratus is a unit of 100, ribu is a unit of 1,000, and juta is a unit of million. So first we're going to start with belas, which is the unit of 10. So if for example I want to say 12, I will say 12, 13, 13, 14, 14. Secondly, we will go to puluh. Puluh is a unit of 10. So for example, I want to say 2 unit of 10, which is 20, I will say 20. 3 unit of 10, which is 30, 30. 40, 40, etc. Thirdly, we will go to ratus. Ratus is a unit of 100. So for example, if I want to say 2 unit of 100, which is 200, is 200. 3 unit of 100, which is 300. 4 unit of 100, which is. Fourthly, we will go to ribu. Ribu is a unit of 1,000. So if for example I want to say 2 unit of 1,000, which is 2,000, we say 2,000. 3 unit of 1,000, which is 3,000, we say 3,000. Finally, we go to juta. Juta is a unit of million. So for example, if I want to say 2 unit of million, I will say 2 juta. 3 unit of million, which is 3 million, I say 3 juta. 4 unit of million, which is 4 million, I say. That's all good, but it is only with 1 digit with the number system. How about we will use more than 2 digit with the number system? For example, 75, 531, 5,500,000. So I'm going to teach you in this topic. In this lesson, I will cover that topic and we will start with the number system of puluh, which is unit. So here we will use expanded notation where number is breaking in their place value. For example, we start with puluh, 25. 25, we will start with 20 plus 5. So we will say 25. Next one, if we want to say 35, it is 30 and then 5. So 35. 45, 40, and 5, it will be 45, etc. Now we go to ratus. Ratus is a unit of 100. So for example, if I want to say 273, I have to break it up to 200 plus 70 plus 3. So I will say 273. Next one, if I want to say 384, I have to break it up to 300 plus 80 plus 4, become 384. And for example, I want to say 495, I will say 400, I break it to 400 plus 90 plus 5, become 495. Now we will go to ribu. Ribu is a unit of 1,000. So for example, I want to say 2,273, I will say 2,000 plus 200 plus 70 and 3 become 2,273. When we're looking at 3,384, it's become 3,000 plus 300 plus 80 plus 4 become 3,384, etc. Finally, we will looking at juta, which is the unit of million. If for example, I want to say 1.5 million, which is 1,500,000, I will say 1.500.000. If for example, I want to say 3,500,000, I will say 3.500.000. And finally, if I want to say 4,900,000, I will say 4.900.000. Terima kasih, sampai jumpa.